Lawyers of Reddit, what cases are you sorry you won? I work in employment law. Sometimes employees who really suck get fired, but win their jobs back on a technicality. Part of my job is searching for those technicalities and putting them back at the office. This is more of a case where I really felt bad for the guy and recognized it was a shitty situation. The guy was in some dire financial straits and had to prioritize what bills got paid and which ones didn't. The car insurance was one of the bills that didn't get paid. Well, immediately after making the payments on the bills he could afford to pay, he went out in a snowstorm and caused a minor property damage-only accident. That cued a flurry of phone calls from the car to cancel a check for one bill, and an effort to renew his car insurance over the phone, which he did do. His story was that he paid the insurance then got in the accident, but with his phone records, bank records, and police call logs we quickly figured out what had really happened. I felt for the guy, and it seems there could have been a better way to spend the insurance money when a long-time customer is down on his luck. Then as I was looking through the phone records, I saw a 20-minute long call about 2 hours after the accident. I looked the number up and realized that was the honey, now don't be mad but call. Then I really felt for him. There was another one where a lady lived in a small apartment building owned jointly by her mom and uncle. Mom died, uncle got sole ownership, sold the building, and the lady had to move out. Shit went absolutely sideways when they tried to get her to leave, and there was a flurry of pro-SE lawsuits. This lady sued everyone, her uncle, the police, the housing authority, everyone. She even sued the lawyer handling her mother's estate. Anyway, I am representing one party, and I get summary judgment stuff ready, and go to get the uncle's signature on an affidavit. I am fresh out of law school, and all piss and vinegar ready to fight this case, and get it thrown out. The uncle sat down and said something about how it was such a shame about his niece's mental illness, and I immediately felt like a complete ass. Anyway, summary judgment was granted. The claim was nonsense, as were all of the other claims, or so I thought. Years later I saw a headline in the paper about how that lawyer who handled her mother's estate had been caught stealing from estates for years if not decades. Blind squirrel found a nut, I guess.